Hi guys, it's Scotty from Togabox's Silesia here, and originally this video was supposed to be just about my bonnet hood, but over time there were little things going on with my car and I decided to make it into a nice single video update on my Initial D CIVIC. So, enjoy! And give this video a like if you like what we do. But before we do that, I want to switch my cars around because I want the Honda to be in this garage. Well, the car is not starting, so we seem to have a low battery problem. I'm gonna plug her up and yeah, recharge her.
Violated.
Alright, so a few minutes passed. She's plugged in like my phone every night. And we're reading 12.6. But there's been a change of plans. I'm not gonna move the cars around. Right after we ended recording that last bit, I disconnected it because the weather was going shitty. Today is a great weather, so I'm gonna go out and do some work. And actually, I bought a new exhaust for the Civic. I'm super glad. This is the newest package, freshly got today, and let me show you. This is gonna be my muffler. Look at this motherfucker. Wait, will it pass the fizz test? Yes, it does. That's great. Oh yeah, about that bandaged hand. I was bike riding with my homie yesterday and I fell on my dumbass face. But that's nothing. The worst thing is I fucking cracked my phone also. But hey, it works. Okay, so first I gotta go help my mom in the garden. I'm gonna just uninstall the hood from the Civic, bring it over to the table and start grinding. Alright, let's go. I hope I'm not the only one who's crushing and selling junk like this. That's normal, right? Here in my garage, just bought this new Honda Civic here. It's fun to drive up here on the Silesian heaps of ground. But you know what I like more than materialistic things? Knowledge. But yeah, here's the exhaust itself, exhaust pipes, and I got some kolankas, some knees as we call them, and I got the fucking elastic connector thingy, and I got this cat, which is actually a D cat because it's straight through. And of course, the rear muffler. Yay! Oh, it's gonna be so. Yeah, finally it's gonna have a normal exhaust because wait, let me just. Nah, that ain't it, chief. That ain't it. Hi, what's up, guys? It's Scotty from Togaboxes here. I'm here with Daniel. We're at his crib. He's changing the butla. He's changing the gas bottle for the fucking welder. Alright, then here's my Civic. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got the strut bar installed. I didn't show that. And also we're doing the exhaust. Here it is. For comparison, dla porównania teraz.
Ja, weźcie chłopcy. Paweł jak miał wydech, taki miał, tak robił. I patrz tu. Takie dziurska.
Oh, god damn.
I tam też dalej.
Yeah, and here like super crunchy.
Piękności nowe.
Yeah. And here's gonna be the new one.
Po japońsku katanima.
Oh.
Tutaj go przykręcą. W to miejsce. Patrz, tutaj nie. Patrz, tu masz sonda lambda. W to miejsce jest przykręcane i od nowa się go mierza, nie? Ja pierdolę, sławny na YouTubie.
Wszyscy będziemy.
Tyle będziemy nagrywać.
Jak chcesz.
Dobra.
Nice.
Z twoim psem.
Z moim psem? Nie, za stary już. To jest taki milf.
No.
Ona już po kilku szczeniętach, kilku dzieciach.
Rurem będziemy tutaj tak spawać.
O, tak.
Będzie lecieć do tyłu. I Kaś myślał, jak właśnie w tym miejscu będzie ta siatka, to łączenie.
No.
Bo ona będzie pochłaniać te drgania ze silnika.
No, ona musi
całe.
być gdzieś tak tu właśnie.
Tu, a myślałem, żeby ten katalizator w miejscu fabrycznym, czyli gdzieś tutaj, żeby go zrobić, nie?
Tak, tak.
Czyli tu siatka, kawałek rurki, no i już katalizator i puszczamy go do końca, nie? Tutaj ci porobię też te mocowania fabryczne, przyspawą ci takie, żeby można było przykręcać ten wydech tu.
Świetnie.
Wszystko ogarniemy.
And that's from like official radio. We didn't play it.
O, patrz. To już jeszcze lepiej, patrz, ten kawałeczek tutaj.
Yeah.
Ten odcinek tu fajnie wygląda. Oby ten tak dalej. No.
Yeah, so that would be a little sample of my new exhaust. I mean, it sounds pretty good for a 4-cylinder, for a Civic. I mean, and it shoots. Maybe not flames, but it pops. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, on with the video. Now for the hood.
Alright, so here I am. There's my cherry tree behind me. It's nice. It's blossoms on white. It's not the Japanese one, so it's not pink, but you know, whatever. Anyways, here's my hood. It's got a lot of weak spots, definitely. Like there's some rust here. I mean, actually, it was all rusty. It's got some putty here, and yeah, a lot of spots where there's a lot of filler. I think I'm gonna treat it with a wire brush for now. I don't know how long I'll be able to work, but yeah, it's been a forecast for rain today. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna start grinding now. God damn, guys, look at this. The whole surface of the hood is covered in rust. Like the whole thing. Oh, that's gonna be a lot of work. Ah, god damn. Oh, by the way, there's my old hood. It's got some bends. But I mean, shit. Maybe I could even like fix it and sell it. It ain't bad. How about here? I mean, it's visible that it was hit, but nothing some filler can't fix. It's time to bring out the big guns. Starting to rain, so I already took the hood inside. Here it is. We're gonna continue tomorrow, maybe. Alright, boys. So it's tomorrow. The weather is better. I mean, it rained like an hour ago, but it's good now. So I'm still going at it. But goddamn, do I have problems with motivating myself. Alright, anyways, so here's the hood. I gotta go take it out now to the table, and we're gonna continue to go at it, smash it with a wire brush. Honestly, this is the first time I'm doing something like this, like a complete, I guess I could call it a restoration. But I'm gonna have a lot of work, like, look at this. And yeah, I swapped my wire wheel for this one because well, this one is softer and it's not gonna damage my metal like this. And also there is no time difference in which I'm using. Like, the work is going the same pace with either of those, so I'm choosing this one. God damn it! It's raining again. I feel like I'm in the town of England. No, but for real. Shit, I should probably take this inside. Actually, fuck this rain. I'm keeping at it. I even signed it. Look at this. It's got like samurai swords crashing as X. Hey guys, so I'm almost done doing this hood. The only thing left is this sign right here of our channel, Toga Boxes. I'm gonna sleeve it right now, and this is all done. Look at this. It's all nice and grinded. This is all like bare metal. Yeah. So now we're gonna do like a car mechanic ASMR, and we're gonna grind this. This lettering right here. Yeah, enjoy. Oh yeah, like, by the way, this wire brush, wire wheel used to be like this thick, like right to here. To grind this whole hood, this took me like 4 days and 3 wire wheels. Alright boys, this is the last letter, the last part of grinding the hood of the Civic. So stay with me for this one. This is the last piece. The last part, guys. Oh shit! Fucking finally! I did it! Oh! Oh my god. Woo! Fuck yeah! The whole hood is fucking grinded. Hey, let me take off my glove. Let me just touch it. Oh, so good and smooth. I'm so proud of myself. Yo, honestly, guys, this shit took me so long. God damn. Oh shit, look at my cat over there. He's climbing. He's climbing. Oh yeah, he climbed. Hey, what are you doing there? Oh, big ass. Oh, let me touch your feet. Hello. Yeah, but like the hood is done. I mean done. It's not really done. It's finally grinded. Now I don't know. Now I'm gonna like before we put primer on it, I need to put some filler on it because I need to fill up 2 holes that are like actually 2. Yeah, 2. Here's 1, and here's 2. And then we're gonna put primer, and then we're gonna paint over it, and it's gonna be great. Yeah, I'm so happy I did it. Hi again. So it's been 3 weeks since that last clip, because well, I had other stuff that was going on in my life. I was doing other stuff, some more important, some less. Anyway, here it is. Here is my beautiful new hood. Look at this. So it's been already painted. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Up close, you can even see it's yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, if you look closely, you can see it's like kind of like it has been hit by those fucking how do you call them in English? Like the ice cube stuff, the frozen droplets of rain, you know. Fuck off, my god! Oh shit! This motherfucker just splattered blood all over my hood. Get out of here! Bitch ass fly just got blood all over my new hood. But yeah, it's pretty solid. Here's how it looks from the underside. I mean, yeah, it's still turquoise, but I'm gonna do something about it. Maybe I'll paint like I'll put something here. I'll definitely put something here. Oh yeah, and something's changed. I also got this new intake. It ain't much, but you know, it's better than the previous one. I got the valve cover filter. I got this riser stuff installed. Coming back here to the rear, we got some stuff. Actually, I didn't show the gutted interior closely after I painted it, so I'm gonna show it to you right now. The lighting is pretty bad. It's evening. I mean, it's not really the golden hour as they say for the photographers, but you know, it's like maybe on video it will look orange, but it's really not. It's like a cherry, metallic cherry red. Yeah, and I finally got the rear strut bar almost installed. Actually, I need to tighten up those 4 screws. But let me tell you, do not buy strut bars from Staffa. That shit do not fit. I had to do so much with it. Like, imagine, I cut it in half because it was too short. I had to extend it by adding in like a metal pipe. Welded it together. Still visible everything. I didn't really cover it up properly, but I'm gonna wrap it. So I mean the idea is different, so it's not gonna be visible. So don't worry. Also, I had to bend these plates at the end. So I mean it just wasn't sitting right, and I also had to drill bigger holes. Hold on, I hope I didn't like snap the bolt, but I mean the nut. That's because the thread is like broken off in this one. I mean I bought it like that. Still, MTS Technics Gold, super good coilovers for cheap price, middle shelf. It's alright. Actually I think it's the nut. Thread is like flattened. Okay, so I do not have an exactly the same nut. But I found one that is pretty much the same, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm just gonna paint it gold so it's almost indistinguishable. Awesome. Please dry out quickly. It's getting dark. The thread on the coilovers spikes, they're also worn out. And I'm just gonna use the good old 2-in, 1-out technique. Oh, hold up. Yeah, we did it. We tightened it. Let me just make sure. Yeah, that looks good. Here we go, boys. A nice rear strut bar. Yeah, that looks sick. Alright, I'm just gonna put on these rubber titties on. These are the covers. Yeah, like that, I guess. And the last part I wanted to show you was the interior. So I fixed the shift knob, and I got a new steering wheel. Wait, let me. Yeah. It's like a Momo, I guess. I don't know, even it's solid. I tried to bend it and it was pretty solid. So I hope I'm not gonna like pull the black guy in the Civic that like pulled the handbrake after the crash, you know, and the steering wheel fell off. Also, I got some nice LEDs installed. So yeah, guys, that would be it for today's video. It's 26 past 9. I'm wrapping this up for the day. I'm gonna clean up and go home. So thanks a lot for watching. Give it a like, it would help us a lot. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.